Hello everyone, welcome to a brief overview of Multisoft Systems SP3D Training course. Multisoft Systems, with over 21 years of experience, offers 1,500 plus courses, partners with 10K plus experts, serves 2,000 plus corporates, has trained 1 million plus individuals, and earning a 4.5-star rating. Here we share the overview, benefits, and facts. The SmartPlant 3D training is tailored for professionals in the engineering, procurement, and construction sectors, focusing on mastering the advanced 3D design software. This training provides an in-depth understanding of SP3D's comprehensive features, including piping, equipment, and structural design modules, alongside effective data management and project collaboration tools. Participants will learn to navigate SP3D's user interface, develop detailed 3D models, extract accurate isometrics, and generate reports that align with project specifications and industry standards. The course is designed to enhance proficiency in using SP3D for streamlining design processes, improving project accuracy, and facilitating multidisciplinary collaboration. Benefits of undergoing SP3D training include increased design efficiency, reduced project timelines, and minimized errors through the life cycle of a project. Prerequisites. There are no specific prerequisites for the SP3D training. It's open to anyone interested in 3D design for the EPC industry, eager to learn advanced modeling techniques. What will you learn? During the course you will learn navigating the SP3D interface and tools, creating and managing 3D models for piping, equipment, and structures, applying project standards and specifications in designs, generating accurate isometric and orthographic drawings, utilizing SP3D for efficient project collaboration and data management, implementing best practices for design integrity and quality assurance, troubleshooting common issues in SP3D projects. By the end of the course, you will gain deep knowledge about SP3D and how to implement it in real-time projects. Our SP3D subject matter experts have profound understanding of SmartPlant 3D, rich practical experience on real-world applications, extensive hands-on knowledge in the area of CAD/CAM domain, in-depth industry experience and expertise, delivered multiple training sessions to various clients. Skilled SP3D users are able to contribute significantly to the optimization of design operations, leading to cost savings and improved project outcomes. Research indicates that organizations implementing SP3D and investing in comprehensive training see substantial improvements in project delivery metrics. Course assessment. In addition to our comprehensive training, we offer a complimentary assessment designed to evaluate course comprehension. This assessment employs a variety of methods including multiple-choice questions, short answer responses, and tests focused on problem-solving abilities. These diverse approaches ensure a thorough understanding of the course material and providing a well-rounded evaluation of participants' knowledge and application skills. Thank you for watching our video. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to Multisoft's SP3D training, where you will master advanced 3D modeling for the EPC industry, enhancing your skills and design efficiency.